Okay. Are you ready, Ann? Can you hear me, Ann? Okay, I think I lost Ann.
She's there.
Oh, okay. Okay. Give me 1 second.
Oh, well, good thing is that he speaks up.
Okay, so you have your paper ready to go, right? Yeah. Let's see. Okay. Baba now? Okay, good, okay. Okay, and just gonna be a go. Okay, good. Oh, okay. So we're just gonna start with N then. Okay then. She's heading up the stairs right now, so she's coming up right now.
There they are.
That's it?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, Ann, are you ready? On? On. Am I saying your name wrong? On? Okay, just correct me, it's okay. Okay, so we're gonna look at question number 1. Okay? You can't see the paper? Do you see this paper right here? Oh, okay, so you see, oh, you don't see the number, okay. So I'm gonna say it to you. How about now? Can you see it? It's 25, okay, 25W to the power of 6 plus 35W to the power of 3. Okay, so correct, yeah. So tell me what is the first thing I need to do in this problem, in this polynomial expression. Oh, okay, good. So what will be my factors in here? Okay, so 1 and 25 and 5 and 5. So for this one, which will be my greatest common factor? So can I, like, for example, can 25 go even in 35? Are you sure? Okay, go ahead and do that for me in the calculator. Like 35 divided by 25 and tell me what it gives you. Okay, so divide 35 by 25. Okay. How about now? Is it frozen again? Okay, can you log back in? Because I mean, right here on this side it's not frozen.
It's usually no screen.
It's still frozen? On?
It's still frozen. Usually when it freezes, I'll just go click off and then put it.
Hold on, we're trying to get it together, okay?
Okay, you can set it how you want to.
Can you see it now? Is it better? Okay, so you say the 25 factors in 35. So what did you get when you divide 35 by 25? Is that even? Yeah, so 25 won't work, right? No. Okay, so how about 5? Would 5 go even? Okay, good. So our common factor in here is 5. So my first one that comes out of this one will be So it will be 5. Now, what is my next step? So I already got 5, so what do I need to do next? So we already did the okay, good. So our exponent that we're using is W, what you said? 3, good, yes, that's correct. And so now that we know what our greatest common factor is, which is 5W to the power of 3, we're going to divide this by what? What are we going to do next? Tell me what to do next. Okay, hold a second, you're going fast, which is good, but my hand is not moving quick, hold on. So you say by 3, right? And then 5W to the power of 3. Okay, so what is my next step? Okay, so our answer for this one, you say, so if I divide 25 divided by 5, I get what you said? So I got 25 divided by 5. 5, okay, 3, 7. Okay, good. So since we do not need the 1 because, you know, this one, they cancel out. You see this one? They cancel out. So your answer will be 5W3 plus 7. So the answer that you're looking for, you need this part that our greatest common factor, which is 5W to the power of 3, what is it? Parentheses, you gotta put in parentheses 5W3 to the power of 3 plus 7. So this is your answer right here. Can you see it? Okay, you ready for number 2 now? Okay, good. You tell me what to do first. Hello, how you doing? Oh, okay. Oh, okay, good, okay. Okay. triangle. Okay, good. Okay. Thank you. And we have less work to do on, so that's good for us. Let's start now. You ready for number 4? Okay. 4 and 5. Okay, on. You ready? Number 4. Oh, Diego, you there? I can't see Diego. Let me see. Oh, okay, Diego, you ready? Hello, Diego. Can you hear me? Oh, okay, good. You ready for number 4? Okay, go ahead. So tell me what to do in number 4. So what is the first thing I need to do? Find the smallest number. That's correct. Okay, so between these two, which ones am I choosing? Between 54 and 9. So which one am I looking for? Did I lose you, Diego? No, Diego, you there? Oh, okay, so you said between 54, a number, and 9, which one would I find my factors for? 9, okay, so what are the factors of 9? 1 and 9, okay, what else? 3 and 3, yes, okay, so now to find the greatest common factor, what we need to do is, how many times can you, so which one of these one would be the best one for me to choose? Which one will be the greatest one? So how many times will 9 go in 54 even? And you can put in your calculator. 9, okay. But then again, you see this number right here? So I have these two smaller, so which one do you think will be best for me to choose? So how about, but then how many times can you do 54? Is that my smallest one? Do 54 divided by 3. What is your answer? What is your answer when you divide 54 by 3? 18, right? So that means it's too big, so we should choose 9 because that will be smaller than 18, correct? Do you agree, Diego? Okay, good. Okay, so we have a greatest common factor, which is 9. Now, what is my next step? What do I do next? So I already got my greatest common factor, which is the number. What is the next step that I need to do? Okay, so I'm looking at C and C4. Okay, so which one do you say that I need to look for? That I need to choose? Okay, so C3. Okay, now I'm looking for the next one. Which one is the next one? D. Okay, so which one should I look for? And why? Tell me why. So B, which one? So D2? Okay, so D2. So this is my greatest common factor, which is 9C, 3, C to the power of 3, and D to the power of 2. Okay? So what is the next thing that I need to do? So we already found a greatest common factor, which is this one right here. So what do we need to do next? Divide, you're correct. Okay, so I'm going to divide my polynomial expression, which is 54c to the power of 3 d4 to the power of 4 plus 9c to the power of 4 d to the power of 2. And I'm dividing by what you told me? I'm dividing by what, Diego? This one. The greatest common factor, okay? Are you there, Diego, with me? Okay. I'm going to make sure you're there. So 9c to the power of 2, d to the power of 2. Okay, so tell me what to do next. We're right here. So I'm going to help you for the first one. Divide 54 by 9. How many times do I get that one? How many times does 9 fit in 54? You there, Diego? I'm here. You can use your calculator and divide 54 by 9. Okay, 6. Now, on C, so if I have C to the power of 2, or C3, how many, what is my C? So I have 3 minus 2, what do I have? You take 3 minus 2. Diego, what's 3 minus 2? Oh, this is 3, Diego, I apologize. So that's 3. So for 3 minus 3, we get no C, correct? Okay, now let's go to the next one. So 4 minus 2. So I know it's a D, but what is my power? You take 4 minus 2. 2, correct. Okay, so now I'm bringing my plus sign. Now 9 goes in 9 how many times? This one pretty much cancel out, right? Correct, yes, okay. Now I have C to the power of 4, so that's 4 minus 3. How many C's you get? One, yes. And now, the next one. 2 minus 2? 0, correct. Okay, so my answer, I'm going to write it either here, that way you can see it. 6d to the power 2 plus 1c to the power 1. So your answer should look 9c to the power 3 d2. So this is your answer right here. Okay? You understand that one, Diego? You good? Any questions on that one? Okay, good. Okay. Miss Jackson? Yes, is there anybody else other than Diego? I can't see the chat really. I only see Diego and Ann. On. Okay, yes, I keep saying Ann. I'm sorry, Ann, but it's on. Yes. Okay. You ready, on? Okay, good. Okay, tell me what to do. Okay, I got my number now. This is 2x to the power 3 plus 4x to the power 2 plus 8x. So tell me what to do after I write the number down. So which is the number that I should be looking for between 2? Okay, good. Okay, so I have, what are my factors for 2? 1 and 2, good, okay? So I know that my greatest common factor equals 2. Okay, so what is my next step after I found my number factor? Two x, yes, why? Why do I only do 2x? Because it's what? The smallest, yes. Okay, so I'm going to put the imaginary one right here. That way we know where we, it's just the smallest one. Okay, so next, what do I do? Okay, so I'm going to write my fraction, my expression one more time. So 2x to the power 3 plus 4x to the power 2 plus ax. And you said I write the number down. What is my next step? I'm going to divide it by what? Two x. Yes, that's correct. Okay, 1 second, so I can write it down for you. So 2x divided 2x and 2x. I'm going to go ahead and work right here. That way you can see what I'm writing, okay? Okay, so what do I do the next one? So 2 and 2, they cancel each other out, right? Because 2 divided by 2, you get 1, so you don't need that one. Now you have 3 minus 1, what do you get? 2, okay, so the power 2. Now 4 divided by 2? 2x. Okay, good job. The next one. Plus 4. Good job. Okay, so I have my answer, my first part. Now I'm going to write my greatest common factor, which is 2x. And this is your answer. Can you see it? Should I highlight it so you can see it? Okay, good. Okay. Any other questions or any problems you want me to go back and explain it a little bit more slower? Are you good to go? You good? Okay, Miss A, do you have any announcements you want to let the young people know? I know, and I'm saying Miss Jackson, I'm sorry. Yes, we finished our 4 and 5. Any announcements you want to let them know? Oh, goodness. Oh, okay.